I thought you were still mine, but you're free to go. You are free to go.
Hey guys, it's Hither here from Fortune Academy, and we're in an incredible place. This is Stoke Rochford Hall, and we've taken our top level students who do Forex at the highest level. So they're trading intraday strategies that last one day, of course, or they go for a very short period of 3 days. The precision behind these strategies are that they're not done on low time frames, they're done on fairly high time frames, which means it stays professional and it stays very, very safe in comparison. Fortune Academy is ultimately keeping high risk investments and making them safe. So here we do this in a small group, as you can see. One of our colleagues is just popped out, but this is as small as we like it, and we use a retreat environment to literally help them focus on nothing else but trading for 3 days at a time. We repeat this twice a year minimum, and they get coaching every week. They get my number, so it's pretty intense coaching, and at this level I just want them to be used to trading big money where I can split the profits with them. So we're gearing them to be at the top level. Pretty fun. At the moment what you can see is that they are recapping on, we're on day 3, we're actually recapping all the strategies we've learned so far. So at the end of this day, we'll have 7 strategies. We go long term, medium term, and 3 short term strategies, plus 1 incredible risk management and 1 hedging rule. So hedging rules are actually about 5 for one particular strategy. So we have 7 elements they have to learn to make their trading portfolio really, really strong. So you'll find out how they're getting on, as well as we can hopefully watch their progress in the future, see how they get on.
So I've been with the Fortune family for 2 years and more, and it's been absolutely amazing. So the first thing is she teaches the things that she teaches you. It's not something you can study and get through it, but she also teaches her experience, so that makes a lot new game for the learners as well. When I'm in London, all my anchors are there, so if I see something I'll think about different things, but when I come here it's completely different. Nothing is related with something that I've been used to it. So yeah, you are forced to think differently when I come a place like this. How determined are you looking forward for yourself in this industry? If you are really into it, I will tell you, just don't think about other things and come here and learn, and then act on it to get results, and then you move on. And she's always there when you fall down. She's always there to teach you what to do next.
It's a lot more peaceful, a lot more calmer. We could focus completely on the trading, no distractions. What I would say is there is a difference with through Fortune. There is a difference in the way Hither approaches it. It's bigger than just the trading, and which in turn leads to more successful trading. That's what I found personal experience.
I started my journey with the trading from August 2017 when I did the Pinnacle course with Hither Mann. I did enjoy the time during that course already back then. I did trade over this time up to now, and because I was having quite good results I decided to go for the precision course. I do need to say precision is opening a lot more doors and a lot more opportunities for trading as well. I think that especially on a precision level, if you get out and you actually go for like a retreat, it helps a lot because you are able to switch off from your daily tasks and daily things that you would normally do. I'm pretty sure if I would stay in London in the evening I would be thinking about my other work and other responsibilities, where over here I could just completely concentrate on trading, and we did also our morning walks and some exercise, so it was really helpful actually. I would definitely recommend to start with this trading company. I think that if you concentrate on everything what is taught during the courses, on the strategies, and you follow them exactly, you are able to actually achieve the results. What I would advise is to be patient. This is not the type of trading that you can get rich very quickly. This is more the company that gives you the skills to develop yourself and then over the time become better and better, which I think is not given by so many other companies. That's why I would definitely recommend this one.
I saw some of Hither's advertising, went to an event, and I think because she worked more on mindset rather than strategies I knew I could get, and I think that's what intrigued me. And yeah, I went to one of the events and the rest is history. It's just like you're being away from home, no distractions. The fact that we stayed here rather than going back home, you're in an environment with like-minded people in a grand place like this, makes you think bigger, and your complete mindset changes. You're not around the negative that would kind of get you off scope. I would recommend this just because of the things I've trialed in the past and that I've failed. In terms of advice, I think everyone's scared of going into the unknown, but the amount of support you get here, you're not on your own. Through constant messaging, the talks that we have, people are available for support via text messages on hand constantly. So just do it.
Right, well, I've just returned to the trading environment after a 1-year hiatus. Hopefully it's going to be the last hiatus that I take. I got into trading because I was looking at some options for things that you can do. I'm a contractor, things that bring in extra income. And trading seemed to suit my temperament, it seemed to suit the way I do things. This has been a very useful session, these 3 days, chance to get away from the noise of work and day-to-day, being in a very open environment with like-minded people, because there are few people with whom you can have an intelligent conversation about this. So very good 3 days, very beneficial, and now it's time to return to the normal world.